Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dy. Next, we need to divide both sides by x to the power of 3. So we have 1 over s squared dx over s to the power of 3 dy. This is about Bernoulli's equations. So I will put about v equal to 1 over s squared. And later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we divide both sides by negative number 2. This one we change by v. This one we change by this one. Next, we divide both sides by y with the square root of a squared minus y squared over negative number 2. And we have like this. Now I will put this one go to the right. This one we put like this. I missed number 4 in here. This one number 2. So after I edit about this one, that should be like this. Next, we have v and first the derivative of v. So we can use about integrating factor. We need to find about mu y equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that we have positive number 2 over y next to v. This is for integrating factor. And we have like this. And now we put number 2 go inside about natural log in here. And we have y squared. That means we need to multiply both sides by y squared in here. So this one we have 2yv. Now we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product group of the derivative. So we have first the derivative of y equals to first the derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first the derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have vy squared. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about y equals to a minus sine t. Oh, sorry, a sine t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have a square sine t square, a square, a square. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change by cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dy. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 8 cosine t dt. So I will put this one gone here and here. Dy we change by this one. This one we have a square sine t square. So a square we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square we change by cosine t square. The square root of this one we have a cosine t. And now we simplify. And we have like this. Now we have the formula in here. Sine t square equals to 1 minus cosine 2t over number 2. So I will put this one gone here. And now I will put a square and number 2 go outside. And we have the integration 1 minus cosine 2t dt. The integration of number 1, we have t cosine 2t, we have 1 over number 2 sine 2t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by 8. And we have t equals to arc sine of y over 8. So I will put this one to change for t. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. About v, that is about 1 over s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.